Hi guys, Mrs. Castle here, and I want to talk to you about your photography assignment. This time we're going to do really close-up photos. Um, a couple of things I would like you to know before we start working on how exactly to take your photos. Give me a second and we'll be right back. Okay, the first thing, we're gonna use iPads, of course. But the first thing I want you to do is take off the keyboard. Okay, take off the keyboard, because that is really going to get in your way if you when you're trying to take your photos. So the second thing you need to know, and I'm going to say, when you're looking for things to photograph, you want to find things with different textures, like the texture of the towel, the texture of the cookie, the texture of the plastic bag, the texture of the wood grain. All of those make an interesting combination of things. So that could be one photo that you could take. And let's see. And this is, I'll show you both of my camera. Okay. I will show you by looking from the side how close I'm going to get, and then I will show you what my screen looks like. And this will, I'll put the best examples. Dash says hello, and he also wants a biscuit. If I'm standing up, he thinks he needs a biscuit. Okay, so anyway, back to our assignment. Dash, cut it out. See, look how cute he is. And he whines, and there's Zara. He whines, he doesn't get cookies, so don't whine at me. Okay, so to get a really super close-up photograph, like you can kind of see, Dash, stop it. Okay, I've kind of got my iPad the way I want it. See how close my iPad is from the cookie and the towel. I mean, I'm like 3 or 4 inches away. And okay, here's my screen, and I'm going to, this is very difficult. See where the yellow box is in the middle? I'm going to kind of aim the yellow box at what I want to be in focus. And sometimes it takes a second for it to focus on something. Okay, so I'm in focus, and I'm going to snap the picture. Okay, there's the actual picture. I had to get really close to have that, to get that picture. I'm going to try it again, but this time I'm going to focus on the cookie because my cookie is kind of out of focus. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to have more of my cookie in this time. I think I like that photo better. Okay, more cookie, less blue towel, a little bit of table and plastic bag. Okay, so look for lots of different textures like that. Okay. Okay, this example has different textures, the metal of the park bench, the plastic, and the cookie again, but it's a little bit boring. Okay, and this next photo has the addition of some sunlight, which adds a little bit of shadow and some other color, and it makes it just look a lot better. So consider the lighting when you're taking your photos. If bright sunlight hadn't been coming in the window onto the eggs that I got from Mr. Broombaugh, the shadows wouldn't be as good, and we wouldn't be able to see the texture on the eggs or the shininess of the styrofoam in the egg crate. So all those things are important. So can't wait to see what you do. Have fun.